Chris down here at the States from Melwaves coming at you with another product video. And today we're going over the Vaporesso Armour Pro Kit. Now this is a nice little single battery mod. Goes up to 100 watts, takes a 18650, 2700, and 21700. So you got 3 battery options to get, depending on which one you prefer. 100 watts. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and go over it. So with the kit, you get a Cascade Baby SE tank as well as the Armour Pro mod. Now the mod itself comes in a bunch of different colors. This is a stainless one. You got your screen right here that also acts as the fire button. Your 3 buttons, your up and down, plus your menu button. This one does have a bunch of different little features, so you have to click that little menu button 3 times to go through it. You got your standard variable voltage, variable wattage, temperature control. You also have a bypass mode that makes this act like a mech mod. Then right down here you got your little battery door where you're gonna pop this open. Kind of pulls out and then flips up. And in there you will get your little 18650 adapter for your smaller batteries, because the 2700s and 21700s are just a little bit longer, a little bit wider. So you just drop your 18650 in there and make sure you put the positive end down like it says in the little tube. And of course this goes positive end up, goes right in, and that pops over. Got your micro USB right there, and like I said before, the whole kind of screen side plates, the firing button. And then the tank, got your triple airflow right there, got your airflow control, shut it all the way off, all the way open, locks open and closed, so you don't have to worry about spinning or anything. Trying to get this off, go ahead and take the tank off, go over that. Got your standard 510 right there. And here's the tank. The Cascade Baby tank is a nice little tank, holds about 5 mLs. And then to open this and fill it up, you pull up on the top piece and kind of swivel it over. It's got like a little locking feature. Just pop it up and swing on over. Got your fill port right there, nice and big. Don't have to worry about any the pressure building and bubbling over, running over. You just swing that back, kind of locks down, little top piece pops down. Typical 510 on the drip tip on the top. So you got a favorite 510, you can always pop that in. And of course this, you gotta be careful with this, but then if you grab the base, kind of unscrews right there. You get a GT mesh pre-installed, and it also comes with a C-cell in case you want to go with the higher resistance, lower wattage style. GT mesh probably is the better coil of the bunch, depending on which way you vape. That one's already pre-installed in there. Then this just goes right up there, and then might be a little bit of trouble catching threads, but once you catch it, just screw it on all the way, and that's your tank. Really nice little single battery, 100 watt kit. If you're looking for something that's compact or something that's a real good just starter kit, definitely come on down and check this out. If you're looking for that kind of compact single battery mod, definitely the one to go with. See you guys around.